On our way to Nido Market, that's our hotel. Kita nyo, Hello! Good morning! It's our first day, official first day. Yan, here in Sapporo. And today, ang plano ay to just tour around the area. So, basically, we will be visiting, we will be going to the Nido Market. Yun yung, doon kami magba-brunch. Kain kami ng kaisen doon. Yan. So, we'll try their seafoods. And then, we will go to Odori Park. Nandun na rin yung Sapporo TV Tower. Actually, kita dito sa hotel namin. Pakita ko. And then, we will also go to the Sapporo Government Building. And if we still have time, we will also drop by to the Sapporo Science Center. Yan. So, medyo madami. Pero magkakadikit lang yun. Hopefully, dapat magkakadikit lang sila. Yung Odori tsaka Sapporo Sapporo TV Tower, magkalapit lang yun. So, that's our plan today. Hopefully, magawa natin yung itinerary natin. And sama kayo sa amin sa aming lalakwatsa dito sa Sapporo. Of course, kasama si Daddy and si MJ. Si MJ naliligo na. Okay, see you later! We're out now and punta kami sa dito ba? Or this one sa Lawson? Okay, let's go. Meron ditong look. Ayan, may Family Mart, but we will go first to Lawson. I think that's a bigger convenience. And MJ has a playground there. She will play. This lobby. We'll go to Nido Market na diretso. Kasi ang taas na ng araw. It's already 10:15 AM and we will ride a taxi. We'll see if isasakay kami nito. Taxi. We'll go to Nido Market. Old cars.
Yeah, I know.
On our way to Nido Market, that's our hotel.
Hit the road, hit the road. Feel the breeze, feel the breeze.
And daming construction dito.
City lights, so bright.
Pero yung Sapporo mas quiet and relaxed ang vibe compared to other cities ng Japan. Tapos na kami ngayon, si Kuya yung taxi driver, ang bait niya. Kami pa ibinigyan ng regalo ng candy daw to avoid heat stroke. Nandito na kami sa Nido Market. Maliit lang ata to Ito, Nido Market. Wait na kami. Pero hindi yan totoong Ito yung mga meals nila. Yeah, I have fish. Here they also have sushi. Not bad. Mukhang okay dito. Parang okay naman yung presyo. Kasi doon, 5,800 doon
Yep. Let's try. Ito. Oh, hoke nga. Hoke.
Ito MJ. Hoke ito. Grilled hoke. The one you like.
Half yan siguro. Or,
Yeah, you cannot order half.
Then half. Ano half?
Okay.
And then grilled salmon din. Para mo-try mo.
Okay.
Okay.
Nag-order na kami. Ang in-order namin ay actually 3. Of course, 3 kami. Si MJ Hindi siya kumakain ng raw. So, in-order namin sa kanya is grilled, grilled poke. Rice. May kasama na rin siyang miso soup. Yung half lang, which is half ng fish, it's gonna cost us 1,280. And of course, si Daddy, Kuya, Ralph, na-miss ka namin. Kuya, yan. Dahil kakain na ni Daddy si Kuya, ang in-order niya ay full na itong chotoro and salmon set. So, yung full is 2,800. And ako, yung in-order ko is actually yung chef's recommendation. Which is yung, ito. Sorry, medyo mahirap ko turn. This one. Chef's Choice, sashimi, grilled scallop, rice, and miso soup for only 1,908. Sarap to. Sama kayo sa pagkain namin. Again, show them what you ordered, Daddy. What did you order?
Chotoro and salmon kaisendon.
Can you show them? Oh, that's the... Wow. Wow. Okay. Look what we got. So much. MJ got the poke. Fish, grilled fish. Ang laki. And mine is this one. Set. Okay, kain na tayo. Break muna tayo. Kain na tayo. Kain na tayo mga ka-KKK. Thank you, baby. And syempre, I always start with the soup. Alam niyo naman ako, mahilig sa soup. Kain natin. Ang harap. Ang init. I like na super hot. And may kasama siyang crop. Hindi ko lang alam kung makakain siya. Kasi hindi bukas. So, okay. And then, unahin natin ng scallops. Rice, scallops. Okay ng scallops, diba? May shell lang sa mama. Kaya naman natin itong mga sashimi. Lagyan natin ng wasabi. Ayan. And then, yung sa akin may kasamang tuna, salmon, squid, I think, scallops, and mackerel. Ayan. So, ito yung nindo na yan, I think. Tama sa rice. Para mas masarap. Ang chop. Iba talaga yung level ng seafood dito. Iba rin.
What's that? What's that?
Tuna. It's like meat, right?
Sarap. Mayroon ako dati ng
Chotoro.
medium fatty tuna. Ito masarap. Ay, sorry. Ito masarap to, sure. Kaya natin na siya lang.
What can you say, mommy?
So good. Talaga.
Sabi sa'yo eh.
Ang layo ng difference. The very reason kaya hindi ako makakain ng sashimi sa Manila. Nalalansahan ako dito kasi sobrang sarap. Wala kang mararamdaman na any fishiness. Sobrang melts in your mouth. Okay? Ubusin lang namin to mga KKKs. Mamaya, punta tayo sa Odori Park. Okay, so tapos na kami mag-lunch. Dito yung kami kumain, no? Sa Noboru. I forgot.
Noboro Shoten.
Noboro Shoten something. Basta mahaba yan. 3 words. Basta nasa dulo siya actually nung Nijo Market. Ito yung last na shop na. Pag diniretso nyo siya.
Kondo Noboro Shoten.
Ayun, Kondo Noboro Shoten. So far natuwa naman kami.
It's good.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to be the best of what we will be having here. For sure there will be a lot of
Hindi ko mid-tier, but yeah.
Yeah,
So,
pero
mas up there nga.
yep, iba yung level ng sarap nung mga seafood chotoro, yung mga raw fish nila. Ayun. So, tara, punta naman tayo sa Odori ngayon. Yan po yung Sapporo TV Tower. Ayan, maglalakad kami ngayon papuntang Susukino. Ayan si Daddy. Saka si MJ. Okay. So, this is still part of the Nijo Market. Meron pa akong hindi na-try. Imagine that. Hindi ko pa na-try until now.
เดินก็ได้เดินเหมือนเมื่อเช้าอ่ะมันร้อนใช่ปะ
Ice cream. Ba't kakain ka pa ba? Yeah, this time. Yeah. Ah, this is also nice, oh. But this is more on the expensive. Pero feeling ko baka naman mas quality. Diba?
Doon lang tayo pumunta kanina kasi konti tao.
Oh, we can compare later.
Ito, we can,
Oo.
we can buy man separate.
Yes, nice. Okay. That's the Taniko Koji Market. Pupunta kami. Ayan. Ito yung ano eh. River. Ito na yung ano tawag ito?
Dito tayo dati nag-ano yung may festival. Dito rin yun eh.
Oo. Pero anong tawag dito sa kanal na to?
Odori.
Sapporo Canal.
stepping stone
Ganda. Ang linis, no? So, sarap. Okay. Ayan yung Sapporo TV Tower. And this is
You remember,
mainit.
the first time we went here?
Yan, sa mga nagtatanong or magtatanong pala. Wala naman nagtatanong eh. Sa mga magtatanong kung mainit ba, kumusta yung weather dito ng ganitong time, July 9 ngayon. Actually, sa akin, hindi siya ganong kainit. 'Di ba?
it's just
Hindi,
there's a lot of sun
there's a lot of sun, tama si MJ, pero hindi ka papawisan. Hindi ka tulad sa Philippines na papawisan ka. So I think ito mga 28 to. Ganyan. And malakas kasi,
There's a
mahangin
sprinkler
kasi.
there, by the way, just in case.
So,
Yeah.
malamang ganito na lang ba yung sprinkling system na gagawin natin sa bahay?
Sa
Sa bahay, ganito ba yung gusto mo?
but may ganyan. Ang galing, no? Yun yung talaga palang ano, ano nila yan, pang dilig ng halaman. Ayan. Oh. So, ni-reserve namin yung color namin. Meron pa rin sasakyan na pumadaan pero wala nang stoplight. So, yan ang sa road siya. No skateboarding daw dito. Yung street. So, kumain kami kasi medyo fishy yung panglasa ko dun sa fish, grilled fish. So, gusto kong itry ice cream. And grabe no, nakaka-shock. Ilang oras na kami sa Sapporo, di pa ako nakakain ng ice cream.
Yeah?
It's windy.
Oh, it's windy. Yep. So, nilabasan ni Daddy yung map. Where's the map? Where's the map?
Here is Tanuki Koji Shopping Street.
Ayun, Tanuki Koji Shopping Street. Tandaan nyo yun, ha? Tanuki Koji Shopping Street. hindi maitama-tama yun. Tanuki Koji. Tanuki Koji. Ang hirap kasi i-pronounce. Okay? Sige. Lahat tayo doon. Nakakita ako ng ice creaman. Parang dito ako makakatikim ng unang patikim. Yan. Okay. Let's get inside and see. But I think it's quite 430 yen for a milk chocolate ice cream.
That's not bad.
Not bad at all, right? So we can try. Yan. Parang hindi talaga. Pantay. Anyways. First ice cream since yesterday. Sarap. Ibang level yung ice cream. Yung vanilla. Sarap nung pagka. Para makapainom ako ng milk dito. Ang sarap.
It's so weird after having mint.
Malamig.
I don't like because I just had mint.
Okay.
It's so cold.
That's what I like.
So nice. This is so nice.
Oh, nice. So good.
Let's try the creme brulee. Itadakimasu.
Sarap. For
So
sure, yung milk
creamy.
kasi nila special.
So soft. Just the right sweetness.
Pero,
Really like the texture.
talagang pang dito ko.
This is the creme brulee.
Darap ko.
Creme de la creme brulee.
Try na ni Kevin.
I like the ice cream more. Actually, wait. Hold on. Let me start. Actually, wait.
Actually, wait. Sabi niya she like the ice cream more.
I lied.
Ayun. Sarap na ice cream.
I don't like the hard part though.
Yeah. But
Ang weird ko, hindi ako kumakain ng milk, minom ng milk, pero mahilig ako sa ice cream. Eh?
Yeah, it's weird.
Sarap.
I haven't tried it yet.
Chocolate na.
Hey, you took it out.
Dark yan.
Yeah, that's why I love it.
I like the
Maggi sand.
I like this better.
This one's
Dark
good.
chocolate is my
Maggi
favorite
sand.
kind of chocolate.
Let's finish this first. Nakakatawa mga ka-KKKs. Tingnan nyo, meron pang palibre sila. Pero nakalagay, limit lang daw to 1 cup per person yung coffee. Pero ang sarap ng coffee nila. Hindi dahil free ah. Ayan. Ayan. Tikman natin yung free coffee. Oo nga, ang sarap. Ang tamang blend ng kape, no? Ano kaya yan?
Yeah, blend daw nila yan.
So, pag nagpunta kayo sa Sapporo, daan kayo dito.
After nyung mag-Nijo Market.
After Magnijo Market, short walk, punta na kayo sa Kikoji Shopping Arcade. Yan. So, makita nyo itong Artisan. It's really a good ice cream shop. Dessert shop actually. Pero yung ice cream ang gusto namin itry. And then, coffee. May libreng coffee. Okay? Remember, limit to 1 cup per person. And yung Seiko Mart. Dito lang sa Sapporo. Or sa Hokkaido yata. Sapporo lang ba? Sa Hokkaido merong ganyang konbini. So, yan. Look at that. Hanggang second floor pa yung mga gachapong. MJ. Puro gachapong lang. Picturean kita dyan, oh. Magsasawa ka. How much is it? 400 yen. Ito, cute, oh. Kumukuha mo lahat. Oh, ito pala yung bag, eh, oh. Isang mo raw bag. But that's not, may second floor pa siya. Yun yung hinahanap ko. Oh. Converse daw. Nag-gachapong. Saan yung Converse? Sa taas or sa baba? I think the middle one. So, it's 500 yen. Let's see if... ang gusto ko makuha yung classic na white. Alright? So, we'll try. Na be lucky.
Which one do you want?
The white one.
I get the super ugly one.
The white one.
I'm gonna cry if we get the Batman one. That's
I
so
think I'm
ugly.
okay if I'm going to get any of these as well. But the white one is cool, but any of these is good.
Oh, I don't think that's white. That's red.
Oh, it's not white. It's red. Nakabox pa eh.
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly.
What did... Oh! I see. Pakita mo. Labas oh.
Jackpot!
Oh, that's exactly what I
You
want.
hit the jackpot. Alright.
And this one daw is for Kuya. It's so small.
Yeah, it's very small. I don't think it's the one.
Ayan yung buong shopping street. And mukhang Kobe beef. Isa yan sa mga gusto ni Dading kainan for sure. All the shopping area or shops, they put it all together into one long street, no? And it's covered. It's so easy to shop. And don't move from one place to another. Dito yung mga drugstore. So, tingin ko, kunyari may mga matatanda yung kasama mo or hindi masyadong mahilig sa lakad, this is a perfect place to go sa Poro. Kasi konting walk lang, ayan na. Tapos ito, buong street na siya. So, ayan yung Ferris wheel, oh. Pag nagkaroon ng chance, try tayo din doon. O, diba? Parang dessert, pero salmon yan. 1,600. Yan. So, ayun yung sama soup curry na gusto rin namin itry. Okay? So, 6th. So, tingin ko hanggang 7 or 8. I don't know. Pang 6 na to eh, oh. Na dome. Dome ba yung tawag doon?
The map,
Or kainan.
according to the map, it's 7.
Actually, kahit siguro winter, ma-enjoy mo dito. Kasi tingnan mo, oh.
Yeah.
Yun nga lang. Mas okay talaga yung medyo light lang yung weather. Summer is not bad. Maybe August is worst.
Yeah. But
Ari!
Ice
nakarinig na naman ng
Ice festival.
gala eh, no?
Oh,
Ayan.
that MJ.
Sana, i-manifest na natin kagad yan. February, we'll be back here. But,
Look at the bear.
that time, we will be wearing a different, naka-winter, clothes. Yun lang yung hassle kapag pupunta ka sa malamig. Ngayon, comfortable kasi hindi mabigat. Okay? So, meron pa nga. Tama ako. I think that's the last dome. May pang 7 pa.
7.
So, nilakad namin yun. I think it's more than 1 kilometer.
It is.
Yung haba nung shopping street. So, magsasawa ka. And lots of kainan. Mamimili ka na lang.
Para pagbalik namin,
Tingin
kakain
ko,
kami doon sa Yakiniku Like.
Walang dito, talo. Lahat ng kainan mo, okay. Pili ka na lang kung ano yung swak sa budget. Kasi merong mga high-end. Kanina yung Kobe. Diba? Beef.
Let's get inside.
Pero, yan. We'll try yung what's inside Seiko Mart. So, this is the Konbini. Typical Konbini. But, as I've said, yung Seiko Mart is only here in Hokkaido. Or baka mali ako ha. Or Sapporo lang ba. I'm not sure. Malalaman natin yan pagpunta namin sa ibang prefecture. Or sa ibang lugar. Pupunta kami ng Furano. So, kung may Seiko Mart din doon, likely, it's around Hokkaido. That's the one that maybe MJ will like. The smaller one. MJ, that's the ramen you like, oh. And lots of the usual, lots of ang lalaki ng mga ano nila dito. Onigiri. I should try that. I will also get some good drinks, cold drinks. Nauho na naman ako. And look at the variety of drinks you can get from Japan. A feast for your eyes. Diba? Sa beer pa lang. Isipin mo na, ang dami mong pagpipilian. Diba? That's really good. Oh, MJ, may malaking kagome, oh. This is really good. Pagpunta kayo dito, painumin niyo yung mga anak niyo niyang kagome na yan. Oo, sobrang nutritious. And yan yung pinanggagamot ko pag merong sumasama yung pakiramdam. Very good yan. And stationary area. Yun. So, hindi ako masyadong nagpupunta dyan. Or MJ, this is your wallet, oh. Diba?
Ang ganda.
And coffee. Yung mga 3-in-1 coffee. Hindi na kami mahilig ngayon dyan. Black na lang. And then lots of options for ramen. For MJ? Yeah, okay. Just get a small one. Balik na kami. And nandito na kami sa aming
Susukino.
destination. Second, ang ilang destination na to. Nasa Susukino na kami. Okay, so papakita ko. Eto dati namin na nakita na to nung una kami pumunta sa Sapporo pero hindi namin pinansin. Pero ito pala yung parang Glicoman ng Sapporo. Let me show you. Si Nika man. Joke. Nika. Kung may Glicoman ang Osaka, merong Nika naman ang Sapporo. Ano ba yung Nika? Alak yan. Alcohol. Famous, whiskey, no? Famous sila sa whiskey. Meron si daddy niyan sa bahay. And, etong Susukino, ito yung parang, Red District or
Major
Red District area nila. Inuman, so yung mga younger people, kung mahilig kayo sa mga nightlife, inom, dito kayo mag-book na hotel. Buhay na buhay daw to paggabi. Yan. So, magpipicture lang kami dito muna. Yan. So, up close na kay Nika. Hello, Nika! Ito yung crossroad ng Susukino. This is Nijo Street and this is Odori, going to Odori. So, mamaya punta kami Odori. Doon yun. Ang haba pala kasi ng shopping complex na yun. Yan, 7 siya. So, prepare for mga 2 to 3 hours na walang shopping yun, ah. So, are we gonna eat in that area? In any of the ramen shop?
Yeah, we can just look into it.
Okay. So, there. Mall, Kokono, Susukino. Mall siya. So, pero punta raw muna kami sa Ramen Alley. Dahil malapit na. So, just to see. Pero busog pa talaga kami. So, hindi pa kami kakain.
Just to see what's in there.
And tingnan nyo, oh. Sports and entertainment building. Maybe place. May bowling alley siguro dyan.
We can take a subway too.
On.
It's the ramen place.
Ito daw kasi, that's the Sapporo Ganso Ramen Yokocho. So, street. Ayan na nga. Okay. So, that's the Ramen Alley. So, pasok tayo sa loob. Tingnan natin. Ay, MJ, oh. Daddy, ay, ano ka dyan? Pasok ka. MJ. Ano ka dyan? Sapporo Ramen. Puro mga ramen stores. Ramen shops. lang. Kung gutom na kayo, kain na kayo. Nakakain na kayo. Wow, ito yung gusto natin i-try, oh. So there's so much to choose from. See, if you want the famous corn and butter, there's so much shops that sells that. And also this one, miso. But most of these are actually miso, no?
Yeah.
Because that's Sapporo specialty. And ito comes with what do you call this? Ichikura, although that's Ichikura, and this is scallop. So the price is just right. It's not as expensive. But seems like this is a popular place because there's a line. Yeah, that shop. So sometimes it's not all the time that you see line. That's the famous one. Sometimes it's just a truck. Okay. That's the last part of it. And usually eto, mga konti lang yung seating. Kaya dapat mag-order talaga lahat. Hindi pwedeng sharing. One person, one order. Diba? Tignan nyo, oh, welcome to the Ramen Alley. Picture ka dyan. Daw si MJ. So pumunta kami dito dun sa Susukino Mall. Parang yung Coco something na mall. Ayan. So nandun sila sa food hall. Nasa 3rd floor kami. And I realized na ang ganda ng view dito. Oh, tingnan nyo. Pa. Si Nika, kitang-kita. Dito sa pwesto ko. Ayan. So andyan yung road. Ayan. Nagpapahinga muna kami dito sa Coco Susukino something na mall. Dun sa katapat nung Nika na malaking poster or I don't know what do you call that. Andun sila sa loob ng food hall kasi masakit na yung likod ni MJ. Oh, siya yung patalo ngayon, hindi ako. Hindi, mabilis talaga sumakit yung likod ni MJ kasi may back problem siya. Okay, so naisip namin yung weather niya, though hindi siya ganun kainit, just like sa Philippines pag summer, and also unlike Singapore na mainit talaga, bearable yung weather. Kaya lang, lots of sunshine, or lots of sun. So medyo ramdam mo rin yung init kapag tanghaling tapat, or katulad nung labas namin. Lumabas kasi kami 10 o'clock na late na kami magising. So dumating kami dito nakalabas kami 10, nag-taxi kami papunta sa Nijo Market. So medyo mainit na talaga. Kami ng strategy. We're thinking na mag-adjust kami ng strategy. So instead na maaga, mga ganong oras, baka inisip namin magigising kami ng maaga to walk. Iwanan muna namin si MJ sa hotel. And then balikan namin. Then bandang afternoon na kami lalabas. Kasi mas afternoon hanggang gabi, feeling ko yun yung pleasant yung weather. Kasi yung weather can go down up to 12 nga dun sa forecast. So maganda yun, 'di ba? Malamig na. So hindi ko lang alam to that level. Siguro mga 11-ish, mga ganun, 12 midnight na yun. Hindi naman siguro kami aabot ng ganun. Pero at least pleasant ba maglakad. Ayun. So yun yung adjustment na gagawin namin in the next coming days, except syempre dun sa araw na magtutour kami, which is on Saturday. Okay? So dyan lang kayo, sama kayo sa amin sa marami pa namin pupuntahan today. Hindi pa tayo naka-Odori Park. Later, magpapahinga lang muna tayo dito sa mall. Yan. So, pasok siya. Mali yung pinapaswang. Daddy, you want to see outside? Okay, balik daw kami. Yung itinerary master. Oh, ano masasabi mo?
Galing tayo kanina dun sa, actually that's the old Ramen Alley. Kasi meron ng bagong Ramen Alley. So malapit lang din naman doon. It's just few meters away from that one. Kaya lang bumalik na kami kasi pagod na si MJ. Rest muna for a while. Siguro pag gutom na, pwedeng kumain doon. Kaya lang ang daming masarap kainan dito, hindi ko makakain lahat eh. Yun yung problema eh. Hanggang ngayon busog pa kami kanina eh.
Oo nga eh, ang tagal. Ang dami na naming lakad
Oo.
Eh, ayoko kasi kumain ng busog pa ako. Hindi ko na-appreciate yung food.
Actually, pero masarap naman kasi kanina. Masarap yung kaisen doon. And ang sarap din nung dessert yung ice cream tsaka yung creme de la creme brulee.
Oo.
Sarap ng creme brulee.
Oo.
Manalo talaga. Smooth yung texture, just the right sweetness.
Oo. I'm loving it.
Yun nga lang, pag nasa labas ka talaga, pag maaraw, medyo mainit. I mean, expected naman yun kasi it's summer. Pero kapag may mga ganyan na may lilim at biglang humangin, yeah, the weather is nice.
Yeah, pleasant nga siya.
And we will see later kasi kagabi namating kami mga around 8.
Malamig.
Paglabas namin ng station, malamig. And maganda yung so yeah, we're expecting around mga 4, 5 o'clock. Should be okay na.
Oh. So kaya I told them that we will adjust our itinerary. Hindi na yung kanina 10 AM kasi tayo lumabas. Tapos nag-nijo, then mga 12, magi-12 na yun eh. Yung,
Yeah.
kumbaga, the sun is super up. Nasa gitna siya, diba? Ng 12 noon.
Yeah.
So talagang yun yung peak ng init ng araw. Actually, 3 o'clock 2-3 yan yung mainit. Yung labas natin yun talaga yung mainit.
Yep.
And right now, it's almost, actually, it's only 2 o'clock.
It's only 2 o'clock.
Oo, mabilis din. Mga 4 hours lang kaming gumagala.
Yeah.
Wave lang pala, wave lang. Oo, wave. Oh, you transferred already? So,
No? You're good?
ako, I'll find a restroom. Okay? So, ito yung whole food hall. Ito sa mall.
Samahan ko lang siya dito.
So, pumunta kami dito sa Paul Town Plaza or yung underground shopping arcade ng Sapporo. Actually, ilang stations yung cover nito, di ba?
Odori hanggang Sapporo, yes.
Yeah.
Hinatoya, yan yung famous tart.
Oh, we should buy. Later. We should buy. Doon tayo. Nambabangga yung mga tao. Ayan. Ayaw niya mag-move kasi ayaw niyang wala raw tayo sa tamang pwesto. Okay? So, binangga ako ng lalaki. Shop arcade. So, lots to see here. Unfortunately, I'm not into shopping anymore. Oh, those are lots of You should come here, bebe. Yan, ang haba na ng nilakad namin. Napagod na. Nakailang pangalawang pit stop na namin. Mainit. Kanina malamig-lamig, ngayon mainit. O dahil lakad kami ng lakad. We're already in Sapporo Station. So, we walk from Susukino. Tama, no? From Susukino. Then Odori. Then Sapporo. Yan. So, ito na yung hinahanap na lang namin kung saan kami exit.
Sapporo Stella.
Yeah, we'll go to Sapporo Stella. Is that a mall? Yeah, so we will go to Atmos. Yung shop na hinahanap namin. Para hanapin yung gustong bilhin na sapatos. Yun lang. Okay? So, there. So, Sapporo Station, lots of shops, Lawson. Ang dami. Dahil may kita talaga dito.
Dito malamig.
And, yeah, it's colder here. Okay? So, yan, bumalik na kami sa hotel. Nakabili ng sapatos si MJ. Hindi kami. And ito yung itsura ng hotel kapag umaga. Ang ganda ng area. Tahimik. And mga 5 minutes walk lang from the station. Yan. Very nice. MJ. Nakapila kami sa Yakiniku Like. Ayan. Actually, ilang beses na tayo nag-Japan pero hindi pa kami nakaka-try dito. So, today is the day. And that day is going to be here in Sapporo. Diba, Daddy? This is going to be our first time. Meron ng Yakiniku Like sa Philippines eh. Pero hindi pa rin namin na-try. I think sa Mega Mall meron na. SM Mega Mall. Ayan, so bumalik kami dito. Naglakad kami pabuntang Sapporo. Tapos pumunta na muna kami ng hotel. And then, bumalik kami kasi yung pinuntahan naming Atmos na shop, si MJ lang yung nakabili. Wala rin kami nakitang magandang model ng On na nagustuhan namin ni Daddy. So, bumalik kami dito sa Billy's. And good thing, nakakuha naman ng size si Daddy. So, ayun. So, dito na rin kami magdi-dinner. And then after neto, lalakad kami pabalik dun sa park, Odori. So, best talaga mag-walk dito ng mga bandang 5 p.m. onwards. Kasi malamig na, pleasant na yung weather. Okay? So, mamaya kain tayo, sama kayo. Okay, so gabi na kami. Hindi, kumain kami sa Yakiniku Lake, diba? Hindi na kami nakapag-video. Hindi na ako nakapag-video doon. Kasi nagka-separate kami ng upuan. And ang hirap talaga, maikli, masyadong masikip yung lugar. Aming order rin, hindi namin na-order kasi sold out na. So, masarap naman siya talaga pala. Kaya lang, di talaga ako mahilig sa mga, ako yung magluluto. Nasunog nga ata yung kilay, pilik mata ko eh. Bigla umupoy. Hindi. Pero okay naman kasi konting luto lang. Babalik ba ako doon? Oo, okay pa naman. Masarap naman yung pagkain. Kaya lang, ganun nga. Siyempre busy ka, di ba? Tapos alam mo may pila. So, siyempre medyo magmamabilis ka din. Pero hindi naman ako nagbabilis. Tapos mali-mali pa yung mga add-on. Kasi may mga questions kahit English. Iba pa rin yung may tanong-tanong pa din. You know, na-change ko na soup. Naging, maanghang. Masarap yung kimchi. And everything else, masarap.
Okay na dito.
Kain kayo doon. May magugustuhan nyo. You'll like it because it's Yakiniku Lake.
Yeah.
Pabalik kami kay Nika. Sama kayo ulit. Susukino ng gabi. Medyo paggabi. 7:30 ang liwanag pa. But the weather is good already. So, no need na. Maybe we can just... I don't think we can have a good photo if we go too near. Okay? So...
Doon tayo sa kabila.
Nice. No, well, this is good.
Okay.
Spot. Okay?
Okay, tapos ka na.
Yan, we are already here sa Odori Park. Tingnan natin, Sabi ni Daddy, masyado na naman mabilis ang iyong... Ayan yung Sapporo TV Tower. Okay.
7:42 now.
7:42 p.m. Kita nyo? Hindi masyadong kita, maliit lang. Pero, we'll see that here. Yan yung Sapporo TV Tower. Kita nyo, mga KKKs. And ito yung park. Ito yung Odori Park. Pagka ganitong summer. Yan. So, ang daming tao. Lahat ng tao nasa labas. Nice. Pretty. Para nasa France. Paris. May time. Magpa-photoshoot muna kami, ha? Saglit lang. Yan. Ang lapit na namin talaga sa tower. So, because we are in Odori Park, we're trying to recreate yung jump shot picture ni Daddy here in 2018. Unfortunately, it's really hard to recreate. Funny.
One more.
Really?
Okay.
Ayan. 23C ang temperature outside. And it's just 8 o'clock p.m. Malamig actually. This is how 23C feels pala.
18 by that watch.
Yeah. Everywhere here, merong watch. Yung Vive ng Sapporo, Western Vive, no? European Vive. Ang daming buildings na European yung design. Mga ka-KKKs, babalik na kami sa hotel. And this actually ends our day 1, official day 1. Kahapon kasi arrival. So gabi na kami sa Sapporo. So this is our official day 1. And that's all for today. Pabalik na rin kami sa hotel. Thank you all for watching this episode. So watch out for more. Bye-bye. Bye-bye din daw pala. Bye. Bye-bye.